Hello viewer, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to arithmetic progression question. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook at Shabes Online Tutorial, like, comment, and don't forget to invite your friend to my page. So let us see the question on the board. The question on arithmetic progression AP. The question say the sixth term of an AP is 21 while the third term is 15. Find the 13th term. So in this problem, okay, let's say solution. So the question say the system of an AP is 21. So the system of this arithmetic progression is already given as 21, while the third term is 15. And the question say we should find the 13th term. So from here, so before you start, we have to write the general formula for arithmetic progression, which is Tn equal to A plus open bracket n minus 1 then multiplied by d, where A is the fourth term plus and n is the term, the number of a term, then minus 1. This one is constant 1 and d is the common difference. So from here now we can bring out the data from this question. The system of an AP is 21. So I can say this is system n. My n here is 6. So I can say T6 equal to A is not given plus n, which is 6 minus 1. This one is constant. Then D 21. So because the system of an AP here is 21, so the question, I can wait further to simplify this. T6 equal to A plus, then this bracket, to open this bracket now, since minus 1 is 5, then 5 multiplied by d, because this bracket means multiplication. 5 times this, I'll have 5d here, which is equal to 21. I can name it at equation 1. So the question continues while the third term is 15. So the third term, T third, which is T3 equal to, follow this formula again, A plus my n now is 3, the term, minus constant 1, then d. So I can express this as A plus 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 multiplied by d, which will give me 2d, which is equal to 15. Equals to 15. So I can name it as equation 2. So if you check this equation 1 and 2 carefully, we have unknown variable here, which is A and D. So we have to find the value of A and D here before we can go further to find the 13th term of this arithmetic progression. So to find the value of this variable, we have two variables in both equation A and B. So we have to solve them simultaneously before we get the value of our A and B. So simultaneously, in the sense that, so let me combine this equation together. T6, which equals to A plus 5D equal to 21. This is equation 1. And equation 2 say T3 equal to A plus 2D, rather 2D equals to 15. So if you check this equation 1 and equation 2 carefully, we have A here, 5D, 2D. This 5D is higher than this 2D. 21 here, we have 15 here. This 21 is higher than this 15. So I can say, I can subtract this equation 2 from 1 to get my D. Then I'll substitute the value of D to get my A. So watch very careful. So I can say subtract equation 2 from 1. So what I mean is to subtract this from this. So I can say A minus A. I'll have 0 there. There's nothing here because 1A minus A minus 1A is the same as taking away this from this. Nothing will remain, it will be 0. So here now we have 5d minus 2d. 5d minus 2d we can take away because they are having the same variable, they are having the same line term, so I can take away 2d from this 5 here. It will remain 3d. So this equal to, then 21, you take away 15 from 21, I'll have 15 minus 21, I'll have 6. So from here now, to get my d, this is 3d equals to 6, so I can say divide both sides by the coefficient of this d, which is 3, to get my d, and the coefficient of d here is 3, so I can divide it by 3, so that this 3 will cancel this 3, so my d now will be equal to 6 divided by 3, it will be 2. So this is my d. Having get the value of my d, so I can substitute this value of d into any of the equation, either equation 1 and 2, to get my a. So let's say equation 2. Equation 2 is a plus 2d, which is equals to 15. And the value of my d already from here is 2. So I can say a plus 2. So in place of d now, I'll write 2 equals to 15. So a now plus 2 times 2 is 4 equals to 15. So to get my a now, I will make a the subject of the formula, which will be equals to 15. Then this positive 4 is going to cross this equality sign to meet 15, then it will change to negative 4, which is equals to 15 minus 4, which is equals to 11. So my a is 11, my d is 2. So we have successfully find the value of these two variables a and d. So from now I can wait further to find my 13th term of this arithmetic progression. So we are using the same general formula, which is this a plus n minus 1 then d. So from here now the question says 13th term. So the 13th term now, t13, which is equals to a is already fine as 11 plus open bracket, my n is 13, then minus constant 1, this one is constant from the formula, and my d here is 2. So t13 now is equals to 11 plus 13 minus 1, which is 12, and this is 2 here. So t13 is equals to 11 plus 12 times 2, we have 24. So t13 is equals to 11 plus 24, which will give us 35. So we have successfully provided a solution to this problem. So the 13th term, so the system of this arithmetic production is 21, the 3rd term is 15, and the 13th term is 35. Thanks for watching.